just this line here. So looks like it's broke off from this hose. This is a separate piece. This one has the part number for that, and this has the part number for this, so it's two different pieces. Now with these, all you're going to do is take your flathead, pull it up, and then you're going to get behind here a little bit and kind of like push out to get your broken piece off like that. So it's pretty simple. It will not focus for some reason. I guess we'll ever see what that piece is, how it matches up to there. All right, so on the other side, we can also do it up here. It just pulls up as far as that. Don't push it no more than that. Okay, and then this piece is all as one going up through there. Okay, and I guess I would be careful with this too, because it's plastic and kind of brittle. Anyway, so you kind of get the point of what I'm doing. I have to use two hands to get that off. Okay, so pretty much with this, as you can see, the new line, stop focusing on my hand, the new line actually is pretty much the same. And then you're just going to hook up to this hard part here, push in, and then you're going to push back in on this side to make sure that is correct. Make sure you have the right one. It should line up perfectly. All right, let me go to the next step. All right, it looks like everything's kind of holding for now. And it's raining really hard, so that's the end of this video for today.